5 Elon Musk stocks you should buy. Hey guys, today we're going to list 5 Elon Musk stocks you should buy. Let's get right into it. Number 1. ARK Space Exploration and Innovation ETF. The first stock on this list of Elon Musk stocks to buy is ARKX. It's important to note that Elon Musk is also the founder of SpaceX, a private company that manufactures and launches rockets and spacecraft. In 2020, SpaceX successfully launched its first human into space. In addition, we've heard about the company's plans for Starship, a fully reusable transport system capable of carrying up to 100 people to Mars in recent months. Finally, according to CNBC, over 500,000 orders for SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet service have been received to date. As a result, the focus of this discussion is on a recently launched exchange-traded fund that is also focused on space. The ARK Space Exploration and Innovation ETF, which is part of Cathie Wood's ARK Invest Funds family, began trading on March 30th. This fund provides access to orbital and suborbital aerospace companies, as well as companies with enabling technologies and other related businesses. ARKX currently holds 39 positions. Industrials have the largest sectorial allocation, followed by information technology and consumer discretionary. Overall, ARKX, despite being a new and small fund, may appeal to investors who share Elon Musk's vision for the future of space exploration. Number 2. Bitcoin. But now we'll talk about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin bulls have had a memorable year. Institutions took notice as retail investors put their trust in the most important cryptocurrency. For instance, JP Morgan Chase issued positive guidance on the crypto, while leaders at BlackRock supposed that Bitcoin could take the place of gold to a large extent. What drew the most attention, however, was Tesla's purchase of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin in early February. The company now accepts cryptocurrency as payment. BTC/USD began the day at slightly less than $39,000. The cryptocurrency is currently worth around $56,000. Its market capitalization is $1.06 trillion. However, short-term price swings in Bitcoin are significant. As a result, prospective investors must be willing to be patient with this name as it fluctuates on a daily basis. They may also want to monitor institutional interest in this cryptocurrency. Even with this selection of Elon Musk stocks to buy, the crypto space is currently dominated by a lot of noise and speculation. Number 3. Dogecoin. We frequently discuss millionaire-making stocks. However, no one could have predicted that this underdog altcoin would become a millionaire-making cryptocurrency by 2021. Dogecoin started the year around $0.0047. It is now worth about 49 cents, indicating a significant gain. In other words, a $1,000 investment in Doge in January is now worth around $85,000. As of this morning, the cryptocurrency has a market capitalization of more than $63 billion. Dogecoin was founded in 2013 by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a payment system based on a meme. However, the coin's price recently received a tremendous boost from Reddit traders, followed by a seal of approval from the Doge father himself, Elon Musk. Musk has mentioned the altcoin several times on Twitter since the beginning of the year. Dogecoin was created as a joke for people to exchange for amusement. What a difference a couple of months can make. However, it is difficult to predict whether the Doge USD will continue to defy gravity for the rest of the year. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's followers are likely to buy more of the joke coin if he continues to tweet positively. Number 4. Etsy. Our next stock is another one of Elon Musk's favorites. Earlier this year, Musk tweeted something as simple as, "I kinda love Etsy," referring to a hand-knit hat he purchased for his dog. Etsy is well known for its marketplaces, where sellers list both handmade and new or used items. Today, the company serves nearly 5 million sellers and more than 80 million buyers globally. Etsy released its first quarter earnings report on May 5th. Consolidated revenue was $550.6 million in the first quarter, up nearly 142% year-on-year. In addition, the company reported a 132% increase in consolidated gross merchandise sales. Furthermore, net income was $143.8 million, an increase of 1,048% year-on-year. Earnings per share diluted was $1. Etsy stock has increased by nearly 112% in the last year. Furthermore, the stock's forward price earnings and price sales ratios of 47.7 and 9.49, respectively, indicate a frothy valuation. In fact, the stock has been under pressure in recent weeks. Potential investors would find better value in this Elon Musk stock pick around $150 or even lower. Number 5. PayPal. PayPal is the next stock on this list of Elon Musk stocks to buy. Elon Musk was a founding member of X.com in late 1999. Musk left the company, which later became PayPal, in 2000. PayPal is now regarded as one of the leading financial technology, fintech firms in the world. PayPal, the popular Venmo, and other payment options are available through the group. PayPal also released Q1 metrics on May 5th, which were among the best in the company's history. Revenue was $6.03 billion, a 29% increase year-on-year. The non-GAAP operating income was $1.67 billion. Non-GAAP earnings per share were $1.22, up 84%. According to recent statistics, the global mobile payment market size was valued at $1.48 trillion in 2019 and is expected to reach $12.06 trillion by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 30.1% from 2020 to 2027. As a result, we can expect PayPal's $285 billion market cap to rise in the coming years. PayPal stock investors should consider purchasing this stock around $240. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.